In this video, I will explain the Associated Dropdowns feature, how it works, why it is so helpful, and how to implement it. In this worksheet, we can see a list of customer addresses. The filter panels above are different visualizations of the same data. While adding a new customer, I can choose between all the data in each category. So when I now set my country to Germany and my city to New York, I can do so without any problems, which can lead to false data entries. Comparing the data in the table above, I can see how the data is logically connected. The Qlik green-white-gray logic shows me that when selecting Germany, New York turns gray, meaning that New York is not a city in Germany. Only cities with a white background are located in Germany. This way, I am generating data that is not valid regarding existing associations in the Qlik data model. If the data does not have a logical connection, it would not be a problem. But because there is a logical connection between countries and cities, I should use the Associated Dropdowns feature and write to avoid false data entries. In this worksheet, Associated Dropdowns is already implemented. If I now add a new customer, choose the country Germany, and want to add the city, I only get to choose cities that are actually in Germany. Only the options with a logical connection can be selected. So I can no longer create false data. If a customer moves to a new address, the changes can be made with the Clear All button. Now all editable data belonging to an associated group is cleared and all available options are listed in the drop-down list. By choosing a new city, all data with a one-to-one connection is automatically selected and applied to the referring cells. To implement the feature, 4 things have to be done. First is to have the correct technical field name as reference to ensure that the data can be associated correctly. Second is to set the edit mode to non-edit or drop-down and make sure to select the correct drop-down field or the correct associated field. Third is to check the box that says Activate as Associated Field. This automatically opens up the associated group settings, which is part of the last but not least step. An associated group consists of measurements or dimensions that are logically connected. There can be more than one group. Clicking on the drop-down arrow to add a new field in a group shows a list of all fields that are activated as associated field. All associated fields have to be assigned a group in the associated group settings, otherwise it will not work. The associated group settings can also be found in the menu under Associated Dropdowns. There's a list of all current groups and on top the button to the associated group settings. For this example, I still need to activate city and country as associated field and add them to the associated group. Now everything is set. Using country and city as an easy example is good to figure out the benefits of this feature. You can use any kind of correlations and data in the background and link them regarding your data model. To verify the correct links, you can check them as shown before by comparing associations with the filter panels. There are many use cases you can benefit with this feature: project planning, workflows, approval processes, correlations. But the main goal is to increase the data quality of your Qlik and White applications even more.